So I stop here. He's already got his annual pass, but if you don't have the pass, you get to stop here and pay your fee. Yeah, it's right there. Oh, how do we open it up? Death Valley National Park. See, that's the only one they got in there. Looks like it. Yeah. There's Death Valley. Following Furnace Creek was Highway 190 is flanked by the Funeral Mountains on the north and Black Mountains on the south. Passes through colorful Badlands and offers the first breathtaking glimpse of Death Valley. Broad alluvial fans. Wow. Most dry mountain walls can easily fill with floodwaters. Wow. Mercer and Australia line view and Zabriskie Point. Okay. It's gonna. Okay, you are here. So here they want us to stop at Zabriskie Point. What was the other one? Dantes View. Yeah, there's Dantes View there. To the left. Huh. Okay. Well, we'll have to decide what we're going to do here. Well, this is what it looks like right here. It's about the mid-60s right now. Beautiful. I'm in my shirt sleeves. Back home in Minnesota, they're having a snowstorm today. Or at least they're supposed to be. So, I'm glad I'm down here. Okay, we are up at Dantes View. Let's take a look. Wow. Man, there's Death Valley, no doubt about it. Look at that. Oh, wow. Oh, man. It's kind of cool up here than it was down lower. I imagine that stuff's probably salt. Man alive. Amazing. Got a model here. There's Dantes View at 5,475 feet where we're at. Bad water, 280 feet below sea level, right below us. Man. Gosh. That is like incredible. How can I be that high and that being so low? Oh man. I'm up over 5,000 feet and that's right down there. That base is 282 feet below sea level. Oh man, this is mind blowing. Staying on the spine of the Black Mountains at Dantes View. Man alive. You are here. Basically, that's 5,500 feet. No, 5,700, something like that. 5,800 feet below where I'm standing. Gosh. There's Death Valley. They're looking down that way. Again. I gotta do it like this. Much better. Down into the valley there. Man, look at that down there. It's amazing. There we go. And it looks like that direction. Amazing. Look at that direction there too. Okay. Oh, that's amazing here. Mind blowing. Okay, one last look at Death Valley here from above, basically. At Dantes View. And we gotta head on to the next place. Oh man. Okay, there's one more thing that I want to show here. There are people down there. There's a road and where you can get out and walk on the salt flats. I'm going to zoom in and see if we can see the people. Right on that white strip. Slowly bring it in. Maybe it'll, at most, will focus that far away. But you kind of... Let's go to the max and see. Yeah, it's not going to stay focused. Yeah, I can kind of see people down there. Wow. Apparently there's a road down there, Badwater Road, I think it's called, and that's Badwater Bay, as you could get out and walk on the salt. So You can see the road down there. Okay. Okay, now we're heading out. Yeah, coming to 20 Mule team.
Canyon.
Yeah, canyon. Man, look at the color of the rocks here. Yeah, it's one way. Unpaved.
We used to make borax in this place.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Someone's coming the wrong direction.
Must have changed their mind. We'll have to see what it's like.
And look at the color of that rock. Oh, nice salt now. Look at do it this way instead. Side deer. That sun was kind of quite dusty driving through here. Oh my. Going down. I didn't think it'd be like this here. There's the road up there. Motorcycle going by. Oh, tandem.